This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the overexposure warnings on this device. So if you would like to be warned once your exposure is way high, or opposite, you do not want to receive any overexposure notifications, we got your back. So launch the DJI Fly app on your phone or on your remote controller, as it is in my case. Then open the Fly interface here, go into settings by tapping at these three horizontal dots, enter the camera category, then scroll down, find the overexposure warning toggle, and that's how you switch it on, that's how you switch it off. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.